Welcome to Poor Decisions with Penny and Jeff.
I'm Penny.
I'm Jeff.
What are we doing?
We are doing the unofficial drink of the state fair.
What?
Yep.
I'm wearing the correct t-shirt.
Oh, there you
This
go.
is an old one. Best of the best. Lots of Fitzgerald names on the back.
That's right.
This one only has one, but
Yeah.
this year's has lots.
This year had lots, yeah.
Yay.
Yeah. So when we think of the state fair, we think of corn dogs, but that didn't really make a very good drink. And so the one thing that came up was the butter cow.
We needed something on a stick.
Yeah. So the butter cow, we decided to brown butter fat wash some bourbon to make an old fashioned.
In honor of the butter cow.
In honor of the butter cow. Yeah.
Our state fair is a great state fair. Don't miss it. Don't even be late.
It is a good one. So
you did this bourbon?
So I browned some butter and poured the bench proof single barrel into it, and then put it in the freezer and let it sit overnight. Drained it off, and then I filtered it through a coffee filter, and I poured it in each one of these glasses. So we have this, which is the straight single barrel, and this one, which is the fat washed with brown butter. So we can taste those first and see what we
Now
think.
we're talking.
Yeah.
And you recorded that whole process.
I did. I recorded it in shorts because there was some waiting time between.
Well, I'm going to piece them together and speed it up and release it as an episode, a future episode. But the state fair starts soon, and we wanted to get this drink on a stick going.
Yeah.
So we get to taste these first, though, right?
Yes. Let's taste them so we can tell if there's any difference.
This is the just the regular
benchmark barrel.
Okay.
Single barrel. Yes.
Okay. Smells like bourbon.
Mm-hmm. I would guess that would.
Corn. Mm-hmm. Also a state fair staple. Corn.
Corn. True.
Also probably available on a stick. The cob.
Oh yeah, I'm sure they have sweet corn on a stick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's just good bourbon.
It's nice. Yeah, it's corny.
Yeah.
Okay, and now this is that's brown butter wash.
Fat washed, yes.
Bourbon. Okay. Same bourbon
you
as...
can do the same thing with bacon grease as you do with brown butter and get it bacon flavored.
We're going to need more storage.
I don't know. I'm tempted to bacon wash some gin or vodka for Bloody Marys.
Mmm.
It's worth a try.
What could go wrong? Okay. That's candy. That smells like butterscotch. Mmm. Those butterscotch disc candies.
Oh, it does smell like candy.
Those butterscotch.
Yeah.
It tastes like that without the sweetness. I don't get sweetness from it at all. Is that where they get the name butterscotch?
Oh, wow. That is total butterscotch candy. That's completely different.
I bet that's where the name came from.
That's crazy.
Don't you suppose?
Well, the butter in it.
Butterscotch.
Yeah.
How else would they get it? All right.
Butterscotch.
Well, come on.
All right.
It's close.
Oh, that's going to be interesting.
Okay.
So
we're going to make a drink, too.
Yeah, we're going to make an old-fashioned. And the version I'm going to make tonight is, because I think of the state fair, I think of, besides the corn dog and stuff, sweet things. You know, ice cream.
Stuff on a stick.
Yeah, all the stuff. So
cheese curds.
I don't want to necessarily make it
pickle dogs.
Super sweet, but I do want some sweeter flavors. So we're going to use 2 different banana liqueurs, which I have used in the past on some old fashions.
You made this before in a different video.
Well, this one I haven't made though.
Oh.
So this one, I have the 2 banana liqueurs, which I have used before, but I've never used it with the Liqueur 43, which is kind of a vanilla liqueur. And we're going to use cherry bitters and cherry juice, so it's going to be almost like a banana split. Banana split.
That works.
Banana split old butter cow old fashioned.
Iowa State Fair edition.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so how are you going to make this?
So, the liqueurs, I'm using 1 bar spoon. Since I have the bar spoon in the cherry juice, I'm going to use that first. 1 bar spoon.
Okay.
These are Amarena cherries. I love them. They're a little smaller than
Bring that over here.
than the Luxardos, but they're tasty.
Trader Joe's or sometimes Aldi's has them.
Yeah, I mean you can buy them online too, but that's the cheapest place.
We found them at Aldi.
Yes, we did. 1 bar spoon of Tempus Fugit banana liqueur. It's a very sort of heavy molassesy liqueur.
Why 2 banana liqueurs?
They're completely different. That one doesn't even taste like bananas. It just has a different sort of thickness. This one actually does have a little bit of a banana.
It smells like molasses.
Yeah.
Like syrup.
Yeah. This one
Dark syrup.
does have a little bit of bananas, but it's not that crappy artificial banana like 99 bananas or something like that.
So if you couldn't find this or didn't want to get this for to
If you
have
found one or the other, I would just use 2 bar spoons of one or the other.
Oh, okay. Or couldn't you use molasses or some kind of dark syrup? People probably don't have that around
just make
either.
a demerara syrup. Yeah,
Brown sugar syrup.
or raw sugar or brown sugar. Yep.
That totally smells like banana.
Yes, that one definitely has
Very
banana.
ripe banana. Could you make your own with ripe bananas?
I suppose you could. I'm not sure.
I feel a new episode coming. Yeah, no, we're not going to do that.
And then
buy
Liqueur
it.
43 is very much a vanilla liqueur, sweet, and it's just a nice addition there.
Why you put the cap on? You know I want to smell it.
Oh, yeah, true. Okay.
Okay.
So I got my liqueurs in there.
Very vanilla.
Yep.
Very vanilla.
And then we're going to use 2 ounces of the brown butter bourbon.
Mmm.
And we're going to use 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. This happens to be Bitterman's chocolate mole bitters.
So not 2 drops, but 2 squirts.
2 dashes. A dropper on these
Is the
a
same as a
dash.
shake.
Supposedly.
Okay, let me show them this too. Okay, this is the brand we're using.
And we're going to do 2 dashes of cherry bitters. This happens to be Watkins cherry bitters.
At Menards.
Or Hy-Vee or wherever.
Okay.
Or any of the grocery stores carry it.
Okay.
Yep. All right. So I did notice that the brown butter washed bourbon is a little bit salty. So it pulled the salt out of the butter. Normally I do the Salt Life, which is a 20% salt solution. And I do a couple drops, 1 drop per ounce of, but I think the salt has come through enough that I don't think I need that in this particular one. Mm-hmm. Okay. Put some ice in.
Not
Actually,
onto a cube?
Yes, we have a nice clear cube. Been working on my clear ice.
It's going to have the method down pretty soon. I hope. We have lots of ice in this house.
Some clear, some not so clear.
It's gold. It works.
And we're gonna hit
Orange peel for garnish.
peel. We're gonna
But don't stop
spritz
there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a cherry too.
Okay.
This is a chocolate cherry.
All
I'm
right.
gonna drop this in that way.
So we need the jarred cherries and a toothpick or a garnish skewer. Right. Push that up there on that stick a little more. Okay.
Okay.
But don't stop there because this is food
Oh,
on
yeah.
a stick.
State Fair, butter cow.
Okay. Are you auditioning to be the next sculptor?
We have a butter cow.
Of course we do.
decoration.
Okay, I have to show you. Now, that's not for eating.
Well, actually, at the State Fair they have butter on a stick. It's
Deep fat fried
butter
butter
on a stick. They freeze it, put a coating on it, and deep fat fry it.
Dear. Haven't tried that.
No, this is decoration
This
for
is
me.
well, okay.
Oh, let's try it.
Can I go in?
Yeah. Okay.
Right, not sure how
See
to
if you can stop the butter
stop
from hitting your nose.
stop the cow from kissing my nose. Okay. Or button up against me. Oh my God, that's so smooth. So round. Not overly sweet.
No, it is, but it's buttery.
Yeah.
You totally get the buttery
That's
butterscotch
so,
flavor.
Yeah,
That's
very
crazy.
round. Wow.
Wow.
That's worth it. That's.
It is.
I mean, that seemed like a lot of effort to do that, but I think it's.
I'm gonna keep doing that.
Oh, yay!
That's awesome.
I have mixed emotions about that. We need more storage.
That's crazy different.
Yeah.
It's shockingly different to me.
It's really good. So is our cow gonna melt into our drink, or
No, we'll probably.
we'll deep fat fry them before then?
So this is what was left of after I browned the butter and squeezed or drained the bourbon off of it. So we have butter with a fair amount of bourbon in it
Bourbon flavored butter.
that we're gonna use for something.
I think French toast would be a really
Oh,
lovely
that'd be
idea.
really good. Yeah.
Or you saw like some pudding, bread pudding.
Oh yeah, we had a bourbon bread pudding when we were in Kentucky.
Oh,
It
right.
was so good.
That was really good with a bourbon vanilla sauce. Okay, we have some options.
Good ideas.
We'll probably come back to you with those recipes at some point with a little experimentation.
Yeah, this is awesome.
All right, okay. So see you at the fair. Don't miss it. Don't even be late. Cheers.